to our channel. Let's do it together. And here's the final of our charcuterie platter. So guys, we will gonna show you how we gonna make charcuterie in our own style. So I pre-cut all the vegetables, the peppers, and pickled. So I don't have any more olives, but I have some bunch of fruits and crackers. And look at the cheese, the salamis. Okay, you just put anything that your family will gonna eat. This is decorations, and then once you eat it, you just get one pillow like that, and it's ready. I just take out the seeds. We're gonna put the decoration in here, and we start making roses.
I have one?
Yes, you can have one. So you have to do like this. Anyway guys, the plastic always attaching also make noise, and I don't have that latex gloves. Just like that. Anyway guys, my hands, it's so clean.
And you can put like ham, anything like thing you want.
Yep, anything you want. So I like to put it reverse side like this. See, it's very easy roses. And I want to make like this. Focus it, darling, like that. And I just attach it like this.
It's
just
not like the Play-Doh, like the video I make for Mother's Day.
It's just like that.
It's not how we make the rolls like that out of Play-Doh, but with food, it's different. Very, very different.
So I like to have illusions that it's opening. And one more, and it's done. See? And then that's it. I totally wrapped 3 of that. And look how beautiful it is. And I will put it there. Yeah, you can even arrange it like that. Then the next one is you just another folding is like this. I like to fold it first before I attach together, because the way I will do is I will just do like this. See? And then the next one you just attach and you just fold it like this. So once they want to get it from your charcuterie board, it's easy for them to grab it. Yeah, just like that. And it's easy to roll like this. And we're gonna put it here. Show it, darling. We're just gonna put it there. If you're wondering guys where I bought this, I bought it from Amazon. And I will make one more in there. And the other things I did is just I do like this. Just roll them. That's I called a mini bouquet. You just roll like this and you can group it together like that. And if you have like something like this, I like to open it like this so it has more presentation. Here you can see the from here.
Why don't you put it over there?
We're gonna make more of the rosette. Just easy thing.
So it's basically the same thing as we did before.
Yep, as we did before, but it's the only thing is different kind of ham. So I just gonna clean our chopping board. I just wet the kitchen paper towel. Lemon juice in here, so to take out the taste. I'll put the cookies in here. We put the brie. Actually guys, we like to eat this with dates. It's better you take out the seeds. It is easier for cutting the dates later on once they want to get some piece of the dates. This date is so delicious. It's from Israel actually, and it's very sweet. So this is the chopping board. It's specially designed It's included in the charcuterie board. And also this customized knife and everything in the utensils. If you want the link, message me down below. So whenever I put some piece of cheese, I like to take out already the wax they put, because you know, maybe somebody will eat it, you know, along with the cheese.
I eat one of that once.
Accidentally, right?
Yeah.
Because he doesn't know you have to take it out. I just take out the bottom and the upper side, and I will cut it just like here because it's too big. So I'll just put it same like that together. We'll put a different kind of cheese. You see this one? It's same thing.
That's my favorite cheese, Parmesan.
Yeah, you can keep that so that you know which level is that. The black one is the Parmesan cheese. And I will cut it because it's too big. I'll cut it a bit more.
Well, you can also tell by the color, but these are almost the same color.
Yeah, and you can tell that by smelling it. Sometimes
Smells are just the same.
yeah, exactly. My family love to eat cheese. I love to eat cheese also. That is cheddar, the bite size. Manchego cheese. I just cut it small size because, you know, guys, once you eating the charcuterie, it's better you cut it. Sometimes people, they don't like the cheese that they get, but they get a big portion of cheese. So it's a big waste, you know? Right, darling?
Yeah. These looks like stairs. Doop, 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 doop.
And these guys are cheddar.
Yeah.
So I just gonna cut.
Well, also you can tell by the colors or shapes, you know.
Yeah. And we have also the marble cheddar. And my daughter likes it. We're just gonna make it like this.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yep. You try this one? Oh, only a bite?
Parmesan.
This marble cheddar, I don't have the bigger size, but this one will do.
You can put like...
Oh, the cheese is so delicious.
Was it the cheddar you were eating?
Mm-hmm.
Of course.
Now, let's go decorate it with some
Pickles!
the pickles. We're gonna decorate it. We just put it here. So everything, guys, I pre-cut them because I don't want you guys to waste time watching me cutting. So we're gonna put the figs.
You're gonna put it there?
Yeah, sorry. I touched the camera. I just put it here. Just a little bit. So some people likes to have some taste of fruits. I like to scatter them just to give some color.
You're seriously putting it there?
Yeah. Just to give some a little color.
Blueberry.
You can get some if you want. Putting fruits when you're making a charcuterie, it make your charcuterie platter really abundance, you know? Okay. That's the secret of putting this thing.
Last touch is putting our sauce.
No, you are wrong, my love.
What?
Putting the pomegranate.
How about the sauce?
I gotta put the sauce later. Just like that.
So that's the second last touch.
Yeah. Just like I put a bunch of grenade of fruit. That's it. And if people likes more, they can get it from here. And guys, I like to put cream cheese in here. Just pure cream cheese. Hold on, I'll just get our...
Well, some people
serving
like to
spoon.
put, for example, their crackers in some sauce. You know?
And we're gonna put...
So that's why we're putting sauce in our charcuterie.
dipping sauce for somebody wants to have it too. That is the Scooty Ranch.
It's mostly for vegetables, but you can put in whatever you want. It's your choice.
I have sweet and sour, just like, and if somebody wants to have some like this.
So good. I like that sauce.
If you don't have the sweet and sour, you can put honey plus mustard. It will do the same trick. This one, it has to be cut. So to make sure everybody got that, you just leave your knife in here. There you go. Knife and fork. For this one,
For that one, what we're gonna do?
pepper,
Yeah.
as I gonna do is I will cut it like this. Yes, I forget to cut it like that. So everybody just gonna get like that.
Cool.
Yeah.
Can I have one?
So good. Just like that, guys. So it's easier to get it.
Hope you guys like our charcuterie.
This is the frugal way how you gonna make your charcuterie board without breaking your bank. Look at that. It's just how you gonna design it. It's gonna look so expensive and it's yummy. Comment down below what you think and how you find it. So let's eat together. You can dip the vegetable in here. Yummy. See the vegetables. Well, I like to dip it here. The ranch dip. So that's how you gonna prepare your charcuterie food. Just a little buffet. That's what my husband like. For me, and this is my favorite. So delicious. Let's eat, everybody. Happy New Year. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next
Video.